So let me show you how to add stickers to photos on the iPhone Air. So you can go into your gallery and pick any photo that you want to add a sticker to. So let's say it's this photo right here. That's actually a screenshot. So let's try and look for an actual photo like this one, or like let's look for a decent photo like this one. Okay, so tap on edit, and from the editor tap on markdown at the top there, and that's going to open up the other side of the editor. So if you tap on the plus symbol, you should see add sticker, and you can tap on that, and that's going to open up the sticker gallery where you can add any sticker that you want. And also, if you want to, you can add one of your pre-made stickers. So if you have any saved stickers, just tap here, and then you can add your own sticker to any photo like that one. Then you can resize the sticker. Okay, and place it exactly where you want it. Simple as that. That's how to add stickers to iPhone photos. So when you're done, tap on the check mark to get that image saved, and then tap on done. Thanks for watching. Good luck.